Hi there, this is Barbara Template, and today I'm going to show you how to resize in Canva. So let's go for it. I'm going to share my screen, open my Canva. Let's say I want to do Instagram post. Okay, Instagram post. I will insert some Instagram post design that I already have. I'm not going to create it now. So let's say, let me insert something from, where is it? All right, so let's say this one. Okay, so you've created something in Canva and you want to resize it or use it on different platforms. You don't need to create it all over again. What you can do is very simple. You go here to resize, and here you can write yourself the size. Okay, so now we have this size because it's an Instagram post. You can do it in pixels or inches, centimeters, or here you've got an ideas, yeah, what you can change it to, or you can just you can just show more and you can find what do you need. So let's say I want to resize this for the Facebook post. So I click on Facebook post and I press copy and resize. So now this is new, yeah, this is the new card open and it's Facebook post. It has a different dimension. So what I will do now, I will just adjust this to the Facebook post and yeah, maybe work a little bit on this. And we're done. Yeah, so once you do your design, you can repost, recycle whatever you do just by resizing it in Canva. Let's see if we can, let's go back to Instagram post and let's try to resize it to book cover, for example, or let's see what else we have here. A4 document, yeah, copy and resize. Okay, so now it resizes to A4 document. Again, I will just click on it and I will adjust it. Yeah, maybe make it smaller. Oh, okay. Well, let's say like this. Okay, put this. Let me move this position backwards. Okay. So I'll move this up here. This here, so it fits. I'll make it bigger so you can see it better. This, okay, I'm maybe quite fine with this, or no, I want to move it a little bit more down here. Yeah, because it's going to be like the front cover of ebook. Let's say Merry Christmas, and the number, I'm fine with that. Yeah, maybe this one fit it in better, and I've got A4 size. Okay, so it's a very simple way how to resize something in Canva. Just going to resize, insert, either you insert yourself the size you want, or you get it here from the suggestions. There's pretty much sizes for everything. I'm using Canva Pro. Maybe this is not in Canva for free. If you want to use or try Canva Pro, just check the link below. It's free for 30 days and try it yourself. It will save you plenty of time by redoing every post again. By resizing, it takes you literally a few minutes just to adjust the original, the picture, and you can post it straight away. So that's all for today.